Welcome to QiK Circle, Asset and Resource Management Software. The first feature is Notification, which is the user interface that displays icons for system and program features. It contains mainly icons that show status information via some programs like Revenue, Delay Reports, Maintenance, Feedback, Complaints, and System. Revenue icon contains the revenue status of rooms, F&B outlets, and other departments related to revenue. Managers can have a look related to feedback, complaints, and system issues from one screen. Now coming to Reservations. First window is to start making the booking. Our reservation provides a central repository by maximizing occupancy, including both individual and group reservation option. It includes arrival, customer, payment, and room details along with plan and source with inventory status. Arrival details starts to select check-in date and check-out date, room types which are available in hotels, and number of rooms as per guest requests. Room details show occupancy details of adults and child if accompanying with the guest. Guest count can be increased or decreased with help of plus and minus icons. We can select the arrival time for smooth operation, and bed configuration as asked by guest will help out to the operational department to assign the rooms. Next step is to select meal plan and sources. Plans like EP, CP, MAP, and AP. Or else, we can create the plan by selecting the validity inclusions like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and discounts if needed to apply for a particular promotion or offer. The same way, there is an option to select the source of booking, which helps to identify that through which or from where the booking has come. We can feed the contracted rates in system or segregate as per the segment-wise. First, we need to put the company name, select room type, meal plan as contracted by company. Rates can be as per the occupancy for single, double, or triple. After selecting the meal plan and source of booking, system will automatically pick up the rate for the particular reservation which the reservation associate is processing. Customer details, like guest name, his or her contact number, and email ID, will be filled here, and also any special request can be made. Booking reference will show you the approval of the person who is offering any discount or special room rates. The advantage of inventory status is that it shows the room availability, unconfirmed and confirmed booking status in same reservation window with different color codes. Payment details gives you an option to cross-check the rate type, room rate, total amount, discount if any offer, taxes if included, and net amount of booking. There are various modes of payment like credit card, debit card, cash, net banking, Paytm, PayUlink, and voucher. Payment of room charges and extra services can be chosen by booker instruction. There is an option to put the transaction ID with the figure of advance, which has been paid to guarantee the reservation. After getting the advance, reservation can be confirmed from the same window. We have the option to make group booking with the same process of transient booking. No-show can also mark from here if guest has not checked in spite of having confirmed reservation at the hotel. The next step is to submit and send confirmation, or you can cancel from here. At the end of the window, we can check who has made the reservation and on which date. After creating the reservation, room assigning will automatically be done by the system as per the availability of rooms. All Booking is the main data center of our reservation system. It records and reveals all information from customer details to check-in, check-out details. We can filter the reservation by selecting the guest name, confirmation number, or can select check-in date range. Booking status shows the option of check-in, check-out, no-show, cancel, confirmed and unconfirmed bookings. We can come to the base screen with the option of all clear. Also have an option of QR code scanner for finding customer details at the time of check-in. Below that screen shows the booking ID, confirmation number, guest name, allotted room, check-in date, check-out date, room type, meal plan, source of booking, and status, which again comes in different colors. Further on, single screen interface with very clear and color-coded instructions for check-in, edit booking, or cancel booking. Edit option gives you the choice to make the amendment in the saved reservation if requested by the guest later. There will be a window of brief information of booking after clicking on the cancellation, where you can give the reason for booking cancellation and can reconfirm with yes or no option. Upon arrival, booking details related to arrival, room type, payment details, like rate type, room rate, total amount, discount if any applied, and mode of payment, along with occupancy of room, bed type, and source can be reconfirmed with the guest. Customer details will be required at the time of check-in, like guest name, contact number, email ID, address, city, state, and PIN number. Software also has option to upload the authorized photo ID proof. This screen shows an example of uploading the guest's driver's license. And the feature of onboard camera to upload the customer picture. Last, the screen for inventory bookings and room allocation shows room assignment and availability of rooms in different color codes. Next feature is the Inventory Hub. This is the Inventory Hub, which is the main command center of the system. The color-coded feature defines each and every status of the inventory with different colors and shows all tasks and motions and status of the same. Blue color stands for arrival against unconfirmed booking. Orange color shows that the room is occupied. We can view the guest information and bill details after clicking on a particular room number. This half window says that the room is occupied and is supposed to check out today. Hence, green color stands for a vacant room. Purple color denotes confirmed reservation. Here, the reservation is for day use. That's why it's showing for checkout in the center of the top screen. Apart from room charges, we can include other service charges with the option of Add Bill, as it is showing on the screen, to add food charges with price, bill number, and service type. In the room icons, there are two types of bin. Green bin indicates that the room is clean, whereas red says room is dirty. The next feature is reports, from where the hotel staff can have the entire details of different departments like front office, accounts, F&B, Housekeeping, and Reservation and Revenue reports. There are various reports options available as department-wise. Now the next red-coded bar shows Works, which shows various tasks of different departments like housekeeping, maintenance, out of order, front office, F&B, manager-created works, emergency works, and kitchen food order. In the housekeeping work, you can see the box of room number 209 turns green, which means the task has been started by the staff device. Tasks include functioning of AC, TV, lights, washroom, electric kettle, and room device. Once the staff member starts the work, information of same with timeline will reflect on manager device so that they can monitor or check the status of work. For example, the screen shows the task of AC has been checked, which means that power, temperature, and remote are in working condition and hence is marked green. The same process goes with other services also. While the electric kettle has been shown red, which means there is some problem with the functioning of that product. With the electric kettle being marked red by the housekeeping staff, the device will automatically send a notification to the maintenance department for checking and repairing the kettle. With such facility, hotel staff will keep track of the time assigned to any department, thus managing all work in real time. This screen shows the list of services catered by the hotel to the guest in the room itself, which will be provided in the Platinum version. Services include guest services, room service, laundry, housekeeping, lights, and checkout. In the guest services, hotel staff will provide guests facilities to take care of their necessities such as travel desk support, hotel facilities, customer feedback, and complaints. If there is a room cleaning requirement, guests can click on the housekeeping button and the request will go to the department. The main USP of the device is that lights of room or washroom can be switched off or on automatically with the help of device rather than using switchboard. Guests' device have the options for food and beverage menu from where they can order their delicacies and also customize according to their taste. After ordering, guests can confirm the order with the help of View Order option. Once the order gets reflected at the food and beverage counter, the timer will start above the task, which will be shown on the guest device, so that the guest can also see the status of the arrival of food. From F&B service, food information will go to F&B production in the form of KOT, which will help the chef to prepare the dishes, hence it will help in improving the efficiency of work. The order amount of the services will be automatically added to the guest folio after clicking on Confirmed button. At the time of checkout, after clicking on a specific room number, we can cross-check the guest details and can view the bill. When clicking on Checkout, a pop-up will appear for guests to reconfirm if they really want to check out or not. If you click on Yes button, a bill will start getting generated and the invoice screen will show up. The invoice gives the guest information which includes guest and stay details like room number, check-in, checkout date, number of nights, source, room plan, advance amount information if deposited, mode of payment, and details of services used by the customer during their stay. There are different payment options available to settling the bills by credit card, debit card, PayU, Paytm, direct by cash, net banking, or voucher. After settling the bill, a soft copy of invoice can be handed over to the guest either via email or in the print form. And room can show as checkout. After the guest check out, room will automatically show as dirty, and with the help of staff device, task will be directly assigned to the housekeeping.